Facebook Messenger notifications not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on what to do if your Facebook Messenger is not working or how you can fix it. The first thing is head over to your settings. You can do so by scrolling down your notification bar, and on the top right of your screen you can see the settings icon. Click on it, and once there, scroll down, and here on the screen you can see notifications option. Now open it, and once you open it, scroll down all the way below to find your Messenger app. Now if you scroll down, and here you can see Messenger, open it, and you can see the allow notifications option toggled off. Now to enable your Facebook Messenger notification, all you need to do is toggle on the switch right here that you can see on the right of your screen. Toggle on the switch, and here you can choose specific notifications to turn on and off. You can turn on your status bar and lock screen. You can turn on your reminders and such. So hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.